Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say. Ano ang wish mo sa Christmas? Ano ang wish mo sa bagong taon? Ano ba ang mga wishes mo sa buhay mo? Sana o wish, yan ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon. Hi everyone, it's Pinoy English once again. Mag-aral tayo ng English para maging matalino. Ang wish ko ay makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. My wish is to finish my studies. My wish is to finish my studies. Ang wish ko ay good health at positive mindset. My wish is good health and positive mindset. Ang wish ko ay magkaroon ng bagong phone. My wish is to have a new phone. My wish is to have a new phone. Sana magka-jowa na ako. I hope I get a boyfriend or girlfriend soon. I hope I get a boyfriend or girlfriend soon. Sana matupad lahat ang mga pangarap ko. I hope all my dreams come true. I hope all my dreams come true. Ang wish ko, walang magkakasakit sa pamilya ko. I wish no one in my family would get sick. I wish no one in my family would get sick. Sana lumago ang family business namin. I hope our family business grows. I hope our family business grows. Sana manalo kami sa loto. I hope we win a lotto. I hope we win a lotto. Sana gumaling na siya. I hope he gets well. I hope she gets well. Sana magkasundo na kami. I hope we get along again. I hope we get along again. Sana nandito ka. I wish you were here. I wish you were here. Sana mapatawad na niya ako. I hope he forgives me. I hope she forgives me. Sana magkita uli kami. I hope we meet again. I hope we meet again. Sana magkaibigan uli kami. I hope we are friends again. I hope we are friends again. Sana manalo ang Miss Philippines sa Miss Universe. I hope Miss Philippines wins Miss Universe. I hope Miss Philippines wins Miss Universe. Sana maraming trabaho sa Pilipinas. I hope there are many jobs in the Philippines. I hope there are many jobs in the Philippines. Sana hindi manalo ang mga trapo. I hope the trapos do not win. I hope the trapos do not win. Sana magkaroon tayo ng president na hindi corrupt. I hope we get a president that is not corrupt. I hope we get a president that is not corrupt. Sana umasenso na ang Pilipinas. I hope the Philippines gets better. I hope the Philippines gets better. If you like this video, please subscribe so you get updated. Thanks. That's all we have time for. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you next time. Bye for now.